Dear students, I welcome you to my YouTube channel Bring Out English. Let us learn paragraph writing. In this video, I shall be discussing the following points in order to teach you how to write a paragraph. The first point will be, what is a paragraph? Second point, I will give you an example of a paragraph for your first-hand experience of reading a paragraph. The topic will be Corona will lose, India will win. The third one, I will be teaching you how to write a paragraph, and this will be discussed with the help of different stages of paragraph writing. And at last, I will give you two sample example of paragraph. The first one will be on organ donation, a noble act, and the second paragraph will be on importance of English in students' life. So let us start with the first point, that is, what is a paragraph? My dear students, a paragraph is a piece of writing which is unified by a central, controlling idea or theme. This idea or theme is called the topic of the paragraph. It is sometimes expressed at some place in the paragraph by one sentence, which is usually called the topic sentence. Topic sentence is the sentence around which the whole paragraph will be based upon. This means that a paragraph will give information on a single idea or topic. It will never talk about two or more than two things in a paragraph. Suppose you are asked to write a paragraph on Holi. You can't simply start writing about Deepavali. So paragraph is a compact piece of writing where you don't have freedom to deviate from the main theme of the topic. Let us try to understand this with an example of a paragraph on a trending topic, that is, Corona will lose, India will win. This example has been presented to you so that you can get an overall general understanding of a paragraph. So let us see this paragraph. The scenario of the world changed drastically in the last few months. The coronavirus, also known as COVID-19, which originated from China, spread to whole world and started killing thousands of people. India too was affected from this disease. Thousands of people died, lockdown was imposed, and a large number of people lost their jobs. The daily routine of every single person collapsed. The education of many children was too very much affected. However, now things are coming back to normal. The education system is saved by online classes. Death rate is decreasing and people are returning to their workplaces. We can contribute to this struggle against COVID-19 by staying at home as much as possible, washing our hands from time to time, maintaining proper distance from others, and using a tissue or our elbow while sneezing. Wear a mask when we go out of house. We should wash our hands with soap at regular intervals. We also must refrain from shaking hands with others. We can defeat coronavirus if we determine ourselves to follow these protocols. India will win against coronavirus if we are cautious and responsible. Now suppose you are asked to write a paragraph on organ donation, a noble act. What will you do before writing a paragraph on this topic? Writing paragraph will be an easy task for you if you follow the following stages of writing. One more thing, follow these stages of writing when you are trying to learn how to write it. I am not asking you to do all these activities during examination, because there you will not get time to do so. Practice these stages before examination so much that you get command and efficiency to write any paragraph at any given time. So let us discuss the stages of a paragraph development. In stage 1, what we do actually, we decide the topic on which we have to write a paragraph. Here we have already decided that our topic will be organ donation, a noble act. In stage 2, when you have already decided the topic, in stage 2, collect the information on the topic. This collection of information can be done from newspaper, magazines, books, internet, or you may talk to intellectuals. In the meantime, you must write the information in your notebook. Now let us talk about stage 3. In stage 3, you should order and arrange your information. See, when you start collecting information on your topic, your mind gets flooded with facts, ideas, opinions, and feelings. At this point, you realize that you will have to arrange it in some order to compose any writing from this material. This is necessary because you may find that some facts are not directly related to your theme. You may find that there is repetition of ideas, and the most important thing is that you will come to know regarding how many more facts you need to collect for your paragraph writing. Hence, after arranging your ideas, we will move towards stage 4. After collection and arrangement of facts which you have gathered, write an outline of your paragraph. This is the final stage of the pre-writing stage. An outline is like a road map which helps you to stay on the right path to reach your destination without any waste of time and effort. Now come to the last stage, that is stage 5. On the basis of the outline, write your paragraph. Remember, a paragraph should be just long enough to discuss the idea of the topic sentence fully. Let us see the example of a paragraph on the topic organ donation, a noble act. The paragraph reads, "Being healthy in this world is nothing less than a blessing. We are lucky, but many are not. Many people in our society suffer from a malfunction of one or more body parts. Sometimes we wonder if there is a way to help them. We have a great advancement in technology and medical science, so there is a way to help them. After we die, there is no use of our organs to us. They are either burnt or decomposed. However, these useless organs can be reused. They can be transplanted in the body of those who need it. Organs are taken from a dead body and is preserved at organ banks. Organs must be removed from a body between 4 to 16 hours of death. 34 organs and tissue can be retrieved from each body. From eyes to kidneys to heart, every vital organ can be donated and is in need all the time. One must enroll himself at an NGO or hospital for organ donation. It is a holy thing to do. You must not be alive, but a part of you will still be alive. Therefore, we all must pledge to donate our organs and give others a chance to contribute in the development of our country and live their life to the fullest. You should have noticed how I have used all 5 stages in the writing of this paragraph. Now let us see one more example and understand the use of these 5 stages in writing a paragraph. If you follow these 5 stages of paragraph writing, it will be an easy task for you to write paragraph on any given topic. Let us see this example and try to understand the 5 stages of writing a paragraph. The topic of the paragraph is Importance of English in a student's life. English has been adopted as an official language by us. However, many of us fail to read, understand, and communicate in English. This happens because of lack of proper attention and environment in schools. Students are not motivated to speak in English from earliest stages of life. In a recently conducted survey, it was found that a very low fraction of students in government schools speak English, whereas in private and central schools, there is a fair number of students who speak English. We live in a very competitive world. Everyone is pushing themselves to extreme hard work. This has caused a very competitive society. In this high competition, one must be rich in knowledge. However, one also has to have a strong speaking skill in order to express his knowledge. If a student is not able to express himself, then he can't be benefited from his knowledge. The second most important thing is that a student must master the language that works as common mode of communication in the entire world. Therefore, students in every school, especially in government schools, must be motivated to communicate in English to provide them a better chance to succeed. With this, I end this video. Keep watching this channel for your self-enlightenment. Thank you.